Oh! There's no egg. Why there's no egg here? Huh? Walang egg. Hi guys, I just got home from work. Mainit dito sa amin ngayon. 19 degrees pa. Sarap. Ganito ang gusto kong panahon. I hope every day is like this. 18 degrees. 18. Let's see if there's more egg. Pandagdag ko sa egg ko. Oh! There's no egg. Why there's no egg here? Huh? Walang egg. Walang egg, wala. Do you have an egg? Nothing. No. They didn't lay egg. They didn't lay egg. Huh? There's no egg today. Hang on. Walang egg. I'm just gonna give them a snack. Some banana. Oops, sorry. Some banana and strawberry. Chicky. Chicky. They're thirsty. That's why. Walang egg. Di ko sila napainom kanina. Pagkising ko kasi, yung pinakain ko sila nung umaga, nakatumba yung inuminan. Tapos, kinuha ko, wala na akong time. Kailangan kong maggayak. Gayak ko sila Teya, gayak ko yung sarili ko. Tapos, pumasok ako after ko. Pumasok ako after ko hatid. Wait. Ngayon pala, pag hindi mo napainom yung manok, walang itlog. Tapos ngayon, naghahanap ng umakyat na siya dun sa Chicky! Strawberry. Do you want some? They just want water. I'm going to the other side. I'm going to other chicken. They keep drinking water. Kaya pala wala akong eggs. Dahil hindi ko sila napainom ng maga. Ganon ka-importante. Ganon ka-importante ang water sa manok. Pagka wala. Nag-away pa. Ganon ka-importante ang tubig sa manok. Pag hindi mo napainom, oops, sorry. Walang egg. They keep drinking. Hello. It's okay. Uy. Pag-away sa tubig. Oh, wala na siyang mainom. Put you there. Ayun. Let's put some more water there. go. Don't tip your water out. So you can... Ayaw magbigay ng tubig. Shh, shh, shh. Hindi kasi yung ulo niya. Hindi ka marunong uminom. Yung iba marunong naman uminom. Ayan. Kanyang kaliit. Nag-egg siya everyday. Look. Oh, nag-itlog na naman si Anang. Tignan nyo. That's hers. That's Araucana's egg. So, see? It's blue. So, she's got 2 eggs there. Tapos ito, egg to ni Silky. She only have small egg. Maybe it's compared to other eggs. Ano to? It's extra small. Compared to other eggs, extra small to. Tignan nyo. Ang liit. Ito yung isang egg. Tignan nyo, ganyan. Kaliit yung egg niya. Oh. Kanyang kaliit. Nag-egg siya everyday. Look. Oh, what happened? Alright, I'm going inside. Cats need help. Mamaya babalikan ko ulit. Mamayang hapon kung nag-itlog sila.